Hello everyone. Let's test the new text-to-speech AI model called Chatterbox TTS. This claimed to be better than ElevenLabs. Today's video in Venji AI Playground. We are going to mix with new release audio AI with AI video together. So be open-minded and continue the video tutorial.
Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to test Chatterbox, how we can use it both locally and online with this AI model. First of all, we have to go through the information on the GitHub project page where you can see that this is a state-of-the-art model for zero-shot TTS, which means you can use a short audio clip and, through that clip, do voice cloning. Basically, in simple terms, it's trained with very short hours of clean data to achieve that. And, as they claim, this is pretty interesting. Some performance results of the generated audio outperform ElevenLabs. We are going to check that out in this video too, with a side-by-side comparison of the generated audio results. Also, here are some tips for using this AI model. It can generate more aggressive sounds and different voice tones. It won't just be boring sounds. I would say we can use it more dynamically with different settings. With different settings of exaggeration, you can really change things up. This is a very unique setting parameter in this AI model, which you don't often see in other open-source text-to-speech models. So, we will try that out. And, as you can see, by default, it's set to 0.5. The CFG is also 0.5. This is right in the middle of the overall settings. You can turn it up or down, depending on how dynamically exaggerated you want the sounds to be. The Hugging Face page is also available, where they have a demo, Hugging Face space, for you to try it out online. You can download this model directly from their repo. It's not a big file size for the overall or full model weights. You can download and run it locally, even using a CPU to generate audio. That's the beauty of this AI audio and text-to-speech models. We are going to try that out on the Hugging Face space. As you can see right here, I just generated one demo using their demo text. Here, we are using exaggerations with the default value of 0.5 and CFG also at text. Here, we are using exaggerations with the default value of 0.5. The temperature setting controls how much creativity the AI adds within your text. So, there might be some extra noise, like AI-generated breathing or coughing sounds added by adjusting the temperature. Let's hear this generated audio and see how it sounds.
Now let's make my mum's favourite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible.
So, as you can hear, based on the reference audio, this is the sound of a female voice. Once you input about 10 to 20 seconds of audio for referencing, you can use that to do very fast voice cloning without training the model to use that voice. That's what zero-shot TTS means. We are using the reference audio and speaking whatever text we want to generate with the text-to-speech function. Even with the exaggeration set to 0.5 here, as we heard, the sound is pretty dynamic. Well, obviously, it's better than some other open-source AI models. It doesn't even need comparison, because when you hear this example, it's already a lot better than other text-to-speech open-source AI models out there. Their company compares it with the top models in the market, like ElevenLabs. As everyone knows, ElevenLabs is really good at text-to-speech models and all kinds of audio solutions, such as language translation and dubbing voiceover scripts into other languages. They also have a sound effect generation, etc. Their text-to-speech models, I've been using them, are pretty solid. There are some comparisons of files where you can hear their generated sound in a side-by-side comparison with what they have from Chatterbox and ElevenLabs generated audio. So, let's hear the first 3 examples here, and let me know what you think about their sound quality. In terms of sound quality, there's also the dynamic range of the sound to consider. So, let's check it out.
Introducing the next generation of refreshment. Duff beer just got bolder, smoother, and brewed to perfection. Whether you're kicking back or barfing up, it's the taste that never quits. Crack open a classic, Duff is back, and better than ever. Introducing the next generation of refreshment. Duff beer just got bolder, smoother, and brewed to perfection. Whether you're kicking back or barfing up, it's the taste that never quits. Crack open a classic. Duff is back and better than ever.
Everybody be cool. This is a robbery. Any of you fucking pricks move and I'll execute every motherfucking last one of you. Everybody be cool. This is a robbery. Any of you fucking pricks move and I'll execute every motherfucking last one of ya.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix legions, and loyal servant to the true Emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next. My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix legions, and loyal servant to the true Emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
So, as you can hear, those sounds are more emotional. You can hear the expressions in every second of the examples coming from Chatterbox. They are more expressive, more dynamic sounds compared with the examples from ElevenLabs. And how do we do that locally? Of course, we have ComfyUI for that. There are a lot of custom nodes that can be integrated and used to run AI models. So, we've got the ComfyUI fill Chatterbox, the full Chatterbox custom nodes. You can use this for two things here basically, voice cloning with text-to-speech, that's the node for Chatterbox TTS, and then Chatterbox VC. This VC is not venture capital, it represents voice conversion. With Chatterbox voice conversion, you can input audio and swap the targeted voice onto that input audio. Therefore, you will have the sounds of the input audio transformed into a different voice. Basically, you will have the targeted voice speaking the content of the input audio, which we will test out in ComfyUI in this video. One more thing I need to mention about the Chatterbox ComfyUI custom node package installation. It's not complex. Actually, you just go to the custom node, do a git clone of this GitHub repo project, and then do the pip install for this Chatterbox custom node repo. Inside there, like the typical way, we do requirements.txt. Let's check out the requirements.txt. It is right in here. Okay, so we are in the custom nodes folder, and before that, we have to start the virtual environment. In my case, I use Conda for ComfyUI, and as you can see, I've activated the virtual environment. Next, we are going to use the git clone here. We've got this command prompt, and we just copy and paste it on top here, paste it into the command prompt window, we download the folder, the project itself, then we start to do the second step, which is to install the dependencies. In my case, since I am already in the custom nodes folder, we are going to use the comfy field Chatterbox folder requirements.txt. Then, we press enter, and it will install those things for us. Once we finish that, one more step I have to mention is that after you do the dependency install, remember to do the second installation, which is pip install Chatterbox TTS node. This will collect the Chatterbox TTS metadata and unpack it, installing the package of the Chatterbox TTS as the class package for Python. Basically, then we can start playing around with it since we need this critical setup in order to prevent conflicts with ComfyUI PyTorch. Once you boot up ComfyUI again, you'll see that the ComfyUI fill Chatterbox is imported successfully, and we are going into ComfyUI here. In ComfyUI, when we use Chatterbox, like here, I've got two nodes that come from that custom node pack. After installing it successfully, you can use it by clicking the search bar and just typing Chatterbox, and you will see this two custom nodes appear. The VC is for voice conversations, and the TTS is for text-to-speech. You can use either one of them for your voice processing. So, here we've got Chatterbox TTS, and let's try it out with this demo. The generation time is pretty fast for audio AI, and the first time you run this, it will automatically download the AI model repo from Hugging Face. So, you don't need to worry about downloading the AI model, where to put it, or where to locate it. The first time you run this, it will get those files from the Hugging Face repo here, and then you will have that locally. Let's hear the generated audio.
This is Eva from the movie Ballerina.
So, as you can hear, the temperature, once I set this higher, it will get some extra things beyond the text that I have in the input. Let's say I will push the exaggeration higher here, and you will feel that the sounds are going to be different. The maximum value is 2, so if I start pushing it up to like 0.875 or 0.80, it will start getting some emotional sounds here. Let's try another voice or another text and see how that sounds. Okay, so we've got a longer form of text paragraph here, and let's check it out. How does that sound? This generates 33 seconds here.
In the ballet of bullets, I'm the final act. You think you've seen vengeance? Wait until you meet my pirouette, a dance where every turn is a blade, every leap a requiem. The Ruska Roma don't forgive, we rewrite the music, and your fate is the next note. You hide in the shadows, but I am the dark, every step a whisper, every breath a storm. The high table calls this chaos? No. This is choreography. My kind doesn't beg for power. We seize it, one shattered illusion at a time. So watch closely and pray my finale isn't your last act.
Really nice. As a small audio AI model and able to run locally, do you think? Something that ElevenLabs yet cannot do is add some creativity in the middle of sentences, where the sentence stops, takes a deep breath, and continues with the sentence. This is pretty good. And the another node is the Chatterbox VC, voice conversion. Now, this one is going to use existing audio content, and you can use an input audio for that sound to speak. So, let's check it out. Let's switch over the audio node connection and see how that sounds. It generate really fast. Just a second and audio generated. I haven't fast forwarded this.
Venji AI Playground, where curiosity sparks innovation and the future is always within reach. See you in the next video.
So, as you can hear, the sounds are very good if you use a clean voice. Very nice sounds that compare well with other local AI voice models. This can be used locally, and I think it's amazing already compared with what we had like 1 or 2 months ago. There are some other text-to-speech voice AI models that are able to do voice cloning and voice conversion outputs using this kind of convenient way of transforming the voice speaking. I've also did a workflow previously using Fantasy Talking. So, using Fantasy Talking, as you followed in previous videos where we tested with lip syncing using the WAN 2.1 foundation models, and it used lip syncing techniques to extend the models in WAN 2.1. We are going to use this as an example. We have Chatterbox integrated here, which was previously using the DIA 1.6b text-to-speech model. This time, this one is going to be more stable. As you can just hear, we can even generate like a 33-second audio without problems. Let's try this and see how that sounds. Also, one thing worth mentioning is that because right now, we have the CosVid, the Fantasy Talk generation times are way faster. The generation speed is way quicker now, and all the VRAM allocation stuff is optimized using the CosVid and the block swap. Right now, it won't take like 10 minutes to generate just 5 seconds of Fantasy Talk video. Let's check it out.
This text-to-speech with instant voice cloning AI claimed to be better than ElevenLabs.
So, as you can hear and see, the results are able to create synchronized lip movements with the avatar in here, where you have the lip syncing synchronized with the audio files. So, that's how we can use it locally, and it doesn't take too much time right now, as I've shown in this example, where it only took 2 minutes and 52 seconds to generate the Fantasy Talk video here, while using CosVid and the block swap for Fantasy Talk with the WAN 2.1 image-to-video model. We're using the 14B model right now, so it's not a problem to use CosVid for speeding up the generation times. So yeah, check it out. This is Chatterbox TTS, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day. See ya!